Welcome to the 30 Roe Condos, a luxury condominium building situated within the Mount Pleasant West neighborhood at 30 Roehampton Avenue and just steps from the vibrant businesses and entertainment along Yonge Street and Eglinton Avenue in midtown Toronto. Unit 2105 is a two-bedroom condo that includes one underground parking space, a storage locker, and has a combined ensuite laundry area and coat closet off its entrance hall, as well as a four-piece washroom finished with a tiled floor and bath area and a quartz-topped vanity with undermount basin. The second bedroom has a double closet, as well as an oversized window with a west-facing exposure, and all the windows in this unit have shades for light control and privacy. The master bedroom has its own private walkout onto a balcony with glass railing, a double closet, and a three-piece ensuite washroom showcasing a tiled floor, a vanity with quartz counter, as well as a tiled shower area with glass wall and door. The hallway and both bedrooms are finished with quality wooden flooring, as is the principal living area. And this open concept space boasts floor-to-ceiling windows and encompasses a living room and a cozy breakfast area with a modern kitchen showcasing a quartz counter, a tiled backsplash, as well as a stainless steel undermount sink and 4 appliances. During the warm weather months, the entertaining is easily extended onto the spacious balcony, and this unit enjoys unobstructed north and west-facing views of the cityscape, and also overlooks North Toronto Collegiate Institute's football and track field. Building amenities include security and concierge service, bicycle storage, a conference room, exercise, yoga and games rooms, a lounge area with a television, a kitchen and dining area for large-scale entertaining, as well as an outdoor terrace with barbecues. And within walking distance is the Eglinton subway station, shopping and restaurants, schools, a library, and a community centre, while access to Highway 401 and the Don Valley Parkway are just short drives away.